How to save content from Instagram. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to save content from Instagram. To do this, you have to first of all open the Instagram application and log into your account. After which, tap on the profile initials from the bottom right corner of your screen. Then, tap on the menu bar from the top right hand side corner. And after which, you simply want to scroll down and look for the section where you could find archiving and downloading. Right on this section, you want to make sure to save story to archive, save live to archive, and save original post, and save story to gallery. When you do this, you'll be able to save content from Instagram whenever you upload. And next, if you want to save the content from the homepage, or let's say if you just want to save something like this, or some random post, you just need to tap on the bookmark icon right next to it, or just in the left and in the right hand side corner, and this is the way you'll be able to save content from Instagram. So that's the way you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.